Hey guys, it's Susan from Tamagems. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's having a really great day. I hope everything's going good. So far so good over on this side. These earrings are so beautiful. If you want an earring that's big, that's bold, that's gold, then these are the earrings for you. You know what's nice about these earrings? The gold is all the same color. It's like a light colored gold. The same gold that's in the chain, the jump rings, the little charm discs, the bigger disc, and then the earring backing. It's all the same color gold, so everything matches really well. Okay, let's get started putting this together. So I'm starting out by measuring my chain. I need 13 links. So I put a little pin through the 14th link, and this is where I'm going to cut it. So let me cut it on the 14th link to make sure I have 13 links. This ring is about 30 millimeters. The jump rings are 4 millimeters. I have one larger jump ring that's 7 millimeters, and then I have these discs. They come in a package, so there's an assortment of sizes. There's a smaller size and a larger size, and then my earring backing is got a little space for your jump ring at the bottom. And then it doesn't come with an earring backing, so I'm using this little plastic one so it's comfortable on my ear. Okay, let's work on the main body first. I've got my 7 millimeter jump ring. It's already open. I'm going to hang on my large circle link. I'm going to take my earring backing and also put that on my earring, and then to the front of the jump ring I'm going to add my chain. And then I'm going to close the whole thing up. Twist it together. Make sure there's no space because you don't want your chain to fall out. Kind of wiggle it together. Give it a pinch at the top. Okay, now you've got your main body done. Okay, these little tiny jump rings, I'm going to pick up one of those. These are the 4 millimeter ones. Let's find the opening. It's right there. Open it up. And then I'm going to get my disc, put the jump ring through the disc, and I'm going to hang on my first disc on my chain, and I'm going to go right to the very top of the chain. I'm not going to put it through the 7 millimeter jump ring. I'm going to go through the first link of the chain. And then I'm going to close it up. All right, so I've got one link done. Let me get another 4 millimeter jump ring. Open that up. Get another disc. Put it through my disc. And then to the chain, I'm going to skip a link. I'll show you. I'm going to skip one of the links and then put it on the one right below it. And close that up. Okay, I've got my last small disc to put on. Open the jump ring. Put on my disc. Find my chain, and I'm going to skip one link and go right below it. I'll make sure I get this right. There we have it, and then we're going to close it up. I've got my last jump ring. I've opened it up. I'm going to put on my large disc and slip that on the very end of my chain and close up that jump ring. Okay, I've got my little earring backing at the back, and there we are. And there you have it, your big, bold, gold statement earrings. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.